Good morning, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, BTech Commerce section. In business studies, we are in chapter 4, planning. Before this video, we already discussed about features of planning and functions of planning. As we know that planning is predetermination of what to do and how to do, and planning is also initial, essential and important step towards management, because as we know that management is a group effort towards a certain goal, and it never can be completed without planning. Planning is first and prime need of management, and it is also very first function of planning, an essential, initial and important function of planning. Planning is just predetermination of what to do and how to do. As we see in the features of planning, that planning is a goal-oriented process. Now, today we are going to analyze the limitations of planning. What is the limitations of planning? Sometimes it is a question were asked in board examination that planning ensure success or planning guarantee success. तो आंसर हम ये कहते हैं कि प्लानिंग डज नॉट इंश्योर सक्सेस और इट डज नॉट गारंटी द सक्सेस. व्हाई? बिकॉज प्लानिंग इटसेल्फ सफर फ्रॉम वेरियस इट्स लिमिटेशन. First limitation is planning leads to rigidity. As we know that planning is predetermination of what to do and how to do, and once while a plan was set up, that plans leads to rigidity in the view of the resources which is arranged for that particular plan at a particular point of time. So suddenly they were it's a very tough suddenly to change our plan. And while we change our plan, we also arrange resources once again according to our new plan, and it is a time-taking process, and sometimes it never become so easy to arrange new resources and new setups towards a certain goal. So while a plan was set, that plan leads rigidity in maximum extent, because our resources were going to be set up according to that plan. So we can't change our plan time to time frequently. Once while we plan, that plan has need of some resources arrangement and resources availability, and on the basis of that resources we make plan. And resources, arrangement of resources is a long process, and it is never possible that frequently we can change our plan and also arrange the resources according to plans. Thus, plan leads to rigidity. The second word, planning may not work in a dynamic environment. As we know that planning is predetermination of what to do and how to do, and we also know that planning is futuristic process. ये भविष्य के लिए किया जाता है, and plan जो future है वो uncertain है. तो फ्यूचर अनसर्टेनिटी के कारण जो डायनेमिक इन्वायरमेंट होंगे, इफ द इन्वायरमेंट चेंजेस डायनेमिकली एंड एडवर्सली, देन प्लानिंग में नॉट वर्क. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट while we plan we have to be consider almost environmental changes and dynamic changes, and we have to be consider most changes which may be coming up in future. And in spite of this, if environment world changes dynamically, जैसे कि अभी कोरोना पीरियड में हुआ कि कोरोना आ जाएगा, it is never think by anyone. तो इस तरह के डायनेमिक अगर चेंजेस होते हैं एनवायरनमेंट में या परिस्थितियों में, सर्कमस्टांसेस में, इन दैट सिचुएशन प्लानिंग में नॉट वर्क इन ए डायनेमिक एनवायरनमेंट. थर्ड है प्लानिंग रिड्यूस क्रिएटिविटी. व्हाइल वी प्लान, there were no scope left to some extra creativity towards that particular plan, because every plan was set up and formulated to achieving a certain goal. And while it is formulate. There were formulate at the time of formation of planning or formulation of planning. So everything going to be discussed and think over it. The resources and every related topics were going to be discussed. But while it formulate, there were no any changes can be possible, and no any other creativity can be implied into towards planning. So planning reduce creativity. Next, planning involves huge cost. As we know that planning is a mental exercise, so low subordinates and only top level can able to formulate plan for a organization for future prospects and achieving goals, and thus it involves huge cost, because while we engage intellectual persons towards formulation of plan of an organization towards achieving its goal, then it may be huge cost. Planning is also a time-taking process. It's also a mental exercise, and it's also involves huge cost, because only intellectuals can formulate plan, and their remuneration was so high. So planning involves huge cost. Next, planning is a time-consuming process. As we know that planning is not a short time work. It need more of creativity. It need more mental exercise, because we have to be considered future aspects. We have to be considered future changes, future prospects, and thus while we plan, it is a time consuming process, because several things we have to be considered while we plan to achieving a certain goal. And at last, planning does not guarantee success, and in spite of these all limitation, at last planning, the most big limitation of planning, that in spite of a good plan, a foolproof plan, it never guarantees success, because planning is only about future. Planning is uncertain. Planning is, we always plan towards a uncertain future, and future is uncertain. Future is dynamic. There were maybe a changes. So, and several problems maybe came in future, which can be considered, which cannot be considered by a person. So planning never guarantees success. Planning only guarantees success when it is implemented in its original form by effectiveness and efficient way. Then only plan can guarantee success for an organization. Otherwise, only plan, mere plan can never be guarantee the success of that organization. The next is external limitation of planning. External limitation, as we know that planning has several limitations, but some external limitation which also impact the plan, that is unforeseen events like corona, जिसके बारे में हम कभी सोचे भी नहीं थे, वो वैसा चीज अगर सामने आ जाता है, अनफोर्सीन इवेंट्स आ जाते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा बाढ़ आ जाती है, बरसात हो जाती है, टेम्परेचर बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है, एनवायरमेंटल ड्रामेटिक चेंजेस हो जाते हैं, या लोगों के हैबिट्स और नेचर में बहुत ज्यादा ड्रामेटिक चेंजेस हो जाते हैं, या मार्केट के रुझान में बहुत ज्यादा चेंजेस हो जाते हैं. दिस टाइप ऑफ इवेंट्स विच कैन नॉट बी कंसिडर्ड in planning and in that extent, and so unforeseen events is a big limitation towards planning. The second word, political outlook. Political outlook, as we know that our planning were most of planning were based upon countries' political, economic, social, legal status and circumstances. And if there is political instability, huge political disturbance, that is political outlook maybe change our overall planning, because the political outlook consider taxation policy, other subsidies policy, marketing policy, rules and regulations such. So if political parties would get changed, in central or political outlook would change, or it may be disturbed or unstable, then it also act as an obstacle in the way of planning in achieving goal. The next is environmental changes. Environmental changes nowadays, environmental changes is a big obstacle or limitation in the way of planning, because environmental changes not only affect the consumer's nature, and the circumstances towards that planning, but it also going to be affect an organization working condition and working environment, as we seen in this corona side. So environmental changes is also act as a big limitation or big problem in the way of planning. And last, competitors strategy. What strategy adopted by our competitors, it never can be predicted by any other organization, and so sometimes competitors strategy were act as a limitation in the way of planning, and we have to be considered these all strategy at a time of planning. It never be possible by any organization, and thus competitors strategy act as a limitation in the way of planning and obstacle. So students, the limitation of planning is important question from the point of view of board examination. Features of planning and limitations of planning. These two questions is that type in which one question in most of year, among these two questions, one question have to be asked by board in board examination. So prepare these notes on every point and make in your homework copy, and remember it. Till then, bye. Okay, stay home safe.